thought it was a weak sauce. Ah, fuck! Oh, shit!
Right in the side.
Oh, dude. Ah, alright. Ah, fuck. Fuck that shit. I'm not doing that anymore. Dude.
Oh, man. Just one, then. Ready?
Dude. I bet that felt fucking awesome.
Did you hear that fucker coming?
Dude, I heard it coming in and I heard it hit you.
Give me one more.
That is the funniest shit I've ever seen. Dude.
Look at that. Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Dude. You hit me right in the spine. Oh, dude. Last time. Oh, God.
Yep.
Ah! Fuck. Shit. Dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. That was... Ah, fuck. Shit. Dude, you didn't hit me in the ass.
No.
Oh, fuck. Dude.
Come again.
Ah, fuck, there you go. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. Dude, I don't like this anymore. Let's go away.
No.
A little bit.
It's fun, isn't it?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. No, it just...